So let's jump into the faculty info section, and let's prep this for the class that I'm going to be teaching here. So I'm teaching HTML and CSS this semester. So when you jump into this section, you'll notice that as you hover over an item, you'll get this little drop-down arrow, this chevron, as I call it. And this is a common pattern in Blackboard. This chevron next to something as you hover over it, this is kind of like Blackboard's version of a right-click. You know, like when you right-click on something, you get a lot of contextual tools. This is Blackboard's contextual menu. So if I click on that, I have two options that are available. I have edit and I have delete. I could delete this and create a completely new contact, but I'm actually going to go into edit and just customize this for myself. So this is just a normal form. I'm going to put in James Johnson. I'm going to put in my MCAD email, jamesjohnson@mcad.edu. Office location, I am located in M101. So my office hours are Thursday from 3 to 4 p.m., I think. And then down here are notes. So you can put in a faculty bio there if you want. I'm just going to leave mine blank. Below this, you'll see some additional options. So this one says make profile available. Toggle that from yes to no. This is a very common thing in Blackboard. It's a common pattern to have under the options section. This is where you can change things from student visible to student invisible. If you edit an item and then go down to the options, it's usually that kind of first option right there. So I'm going to leave this as student visible. And then this is probably the most important thing. In the era of Google Docs, when you're used to kind of things just live saving and live updating, this is a little bit different on Blackboard. You have to hit the submit before any of the information goes to the server. So if I were to walk away from this, I'm not done. Nothing is saved. I actually have to submit this to the server to actually save my changes. So there we go. I got my first little faculty info right there, and students can access that.